Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable game mode pop-ups on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. First, open any game app on your phone. In my case, I'm going to open the PUBG mobile game. After opening the game, you will see a pop-up that says game mode on. To turn off game mode while you are in the game, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access your control center. At the top of the screen, you will see a notification for PUBG mobile game mode on. Click on it. Under the game that you are currently playing, you will see that game mode is in the on position. Click on it to turn it off. You can see it says game mode is off, and you can continue playing the game, but it won't have all the features that game mode normally enables, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can disable game mode pop-ups on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.